Hello everyone. So my last video takadzidza about my arrays, and my videos before them tachidza about my data types. In this video nongorita a short video. I want to teach you about how to create a separate JavaScript file. I'm gonna use no JavaScript that some HTML muno, but also it says that type CSS kotizo tetine option yokuisa through HTML, but takazo create a separate file so ripana pa tobva tazoringa ku HTML kwedu. Saka we can do the same ne JavaScript, because imagine ine code ye JavaScript yakawanda yaudaunyora ukazosanganisa ne HTML hazonyatso kudabo. Saka tinoita sei kuti zoti edere CSS ti edere JavaScript yedu mu HTML file. Chekutanga we create a file read JavaScript. You see, pa HTML.html, pa CSS.css. So I think you know what pa JavaScript it's not.js. And so to get a new file, let us just call it script.js like this. And saka kanatadai so regezeti tango regezeti chance index no regezeti muramatrum JavaScript file maybe regezeti visit this JavaScript tatakaisa papai to pata safer to open. Yeah, like this. Pana papa regezeti ngoti linking an external JavaScript file. Tati linking in external file like this. And saka how do we link an external JavaScript? Tingoisa something to output apa. Mu last video metakadza tukosession search console to output stuff, and saka pana pargezeti I am an external file like this, and tika save. Saka tikauya kunoko kuti tilinge an external JavaScript file. You can do it in head macro like we did in CSS, but JavaScript is recommended. Could we edere passas just mu body macro but passas pay everything. The reason being a JavaScript it's a script file route inogonongerine zvinhu zvakawanda zvari nazvo uye zvirichiloada stuff yakawanda. Saka ukarisa pamusoro and rinogonotora time richiloada, then kunoko kuuser wako ari kufura website yako anenge angoona panhu pewhite because rinenge risati raloada zviri kuzasi, because rinenge richimirira kuti ritange raloada zviro zvokontinue. So ukaisa pazasi munhu anofanira kutanga kuona content, then yozotanga kuloada functionality munhu achitoona content. No reason yatinoisira mubody kuzasi kwebody. So let's come here, and the way we do it just like zvataita pascript tag kuti zvototi script onyora, but instead of that tinoisa an attribute source just like zvataita paimage paper ubva waisa file rako which is script.js like this. Saka tikasave izvozvo tikachiuya kuno tikati inspect takati tinoya pakai console, you can see kuti kuti I am an external file. Saka this is how you link a JavaScript file or a serial part of HTML. Saka thank you for watching this video. I know the video is short. See you in the next video. But ningeta kutidza decision making. Thank you for watching.